All right, let's talk weather once again with meteorologist Michelle Boss. Michelle, sounds like at least in the coming days, firefighters will get some help from Mother Nature.
Yeah, we're going to get help with some wet weather and some much cooler temperatures. We're just going to get through the heat that we're seeing today, and it's a scorcher out there. We've got temperatures in the mid-90s, but a couple of spots in the inland northwest have seen highs surpass 100 degrees today. Some of those places include Moses Lake and Lewiston. Fortunately, not here in Spokane, though. We were seeing mid-90s here locally, 94 right now, sunny skies, calm winds, and you can see very dry out there, 15% relative humidity. So the one positive thing with as hot and as dry as it's been today is we haven't had the winds. As we kind of look around the region, generally sustained wind speeds at 10 miles per hour or less, and actually calm in the Spokane area. All right, we're looking at some big changes in our weather in the form of more active weather over the next couple of days, storms, wind, cooler temperatures, and the potential for heavy rain. Scattered thunderstorms are expected to move into the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene area tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be probably dry for the first half of the day, so temperatures will still be able to make it up into the 80s, but that's still going to be cooler than what we saw today. Moderate to heavy rain is possible, and Spokane could see anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to as much as 3/4 of an inch by the time it's all said and done at the end of the day on Wednesday. But along with the storms will come much cooler weather on Wednesday, windy conditions. We're looking at highs going from the mid-90s today to possibly only the mid-60s on Wednesday, so it'll feel like two completely different seasons. First drop of temperatures tomorrow with highs in the 80s, then 60s on Wednesday, and we'll kind of slowly climb back up to near normal, which is going to be dropping into the upper 70s, average highs falling into the upper 70s by the end of this week. Upper level low pressure out in the Pacific has been sitting and spinning for the last 2 to 3 days, finally going to make its way inland tomorrow, and that's what's going to help kick off the stormy weather and bringing us those cooler temperatures. A quick peek, though, out in the Atlantic where it's pretty active out there. We have Hurricane Franklin, 145 mile per hour sustained winds, but that's heading away from the U.S. Tropical Storm Idalia is the one we're watching. That's expected to move into Florida on Wednesday. It's currently a tropical storm, but expected to form into a hurricane as those sustained wind speeds of 70 miles per hour increase. All right, future tracker back at home. We're looking at clear skies tonight. There's that chance for a few showers to develop overnight early tomorrow across central Washington, but it'll really get active tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then into Wednesday, where we can see more of that heavy rain activity. All right, we're going to go right to the extended forecast. Thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, 84. Much cooler weather Wednesday and Thursday. We should dry out by Thursday with highs in the lower 70s. And mostly cloudy skies as we head into the weekend with more seasonably warm temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s.